Did you know that in 1846, 87 pioneers got trapped in the mountains and turned into cannibals to survive? The Donner Party was heading to California when early winter snow blocked their path at Truckee Lake. They built rough shelters and waited for spring, but the snow kept falling. By December, their food was gone. People started dying from cold and hunger. That's when they made a horrible choice. They began eating the bodies of their dead friends and family members. They cut up the flesh and cooked it over fires. Some people completely lost their minds from the horror. Children cried as adults fought over body parts. The worst part? Some members started killing the weak on purpose for food. They targeted children because their meat was tender. Rescue teams tried to reach them but failed again and again. When help finally arrived, rescuers found evidence of murder. Bones were cracked open for marrow. Skulls were split for brains. Only 48 people survived 4 months of this nightmare. The Donner Party became America's most disturbing survival story.